Ben got a big red on, y'all. That's why we come down here. I caught one last weekend. I think he's got one on now. We've been tearing the trout up all morning. It's pulling his drag right now.
What I do this for right here.
Don't force it, bro. That head will pop, and that's all it takes to pop your line. Boy, look at that bitch pulling, son. Alright, when he gets closer, I'll turn the video back on. That's probably gonna be a 10-minute video. Oh, he's getting close. I gotta get that net ready. Are you gonna drag him? Well, y'all see that? Big old fucking redfish. I hope that's not a drum. Let me see that fin. Come on, baby. Yeah, that's a red. There he is. Man, is that a fucking... Oh! Look at the fucking head on that sumbitch, boy. That's why we do what we do. Look at him. Look how pretty she is. Yes, sir. Louisiana sportsman, baby.